Are you listening to what we're about to say? We are on a mission, trying to find a way. You and me, galaxy, spreading aloha around the world. And I know we can work it out and make this world a better place for you and me. Here we go! We hope you guys enjoyed our music because we enjoy being here with you guys. Introduce the band on upright bass, all the way from the big island of the East Coast, Mr. Rory O'Neill. On this side, a friend of mine for a long time, he's been with me for a long time, ladies and gentlemen, on guitar, Mr. Roger Tapa. Ukulele jams. If you guys want ukulele lessons, even if you're right-handed, he can do this for you because they got mirrors. They got mirrors. He can do it all. Ladies and gentlemen, ukulele master, Mr. Rodney Takahashi. I don't know what to say about this boy. He's been with us for a long time. I'm glad that he wants to come and sing with us every time he's in town. I enjoy his presence. I enjoy his aloha. I enjoy his mana. Ladies and gentlemen, American Idol, DeAndre Kamele Records. Me, my brother Derek. If you guys don't know me right now, you will. I have a little background music. For all of you guys, aloha. aloha in our day. Aloha, everybody. Good night. That's all the songs we know.